If you manufacture or produce products such as foods, beverages, health and beauty, home care items, or manufactured parts, then you probably need to identify your goods with important information, like lot numbers, expiry dates, best before dates, part numbers, or batch numbers. You also need to customize the identification on your package or container. Containers like bottles, bags, boxes, cans, pails, or drums. Maybe you need a unique portable handheld inkjet printer. Or a professional color label printer. All of us at Neumann Marking Solutions have broad knowledge and have been helping Canadians for over 20 years, giving them many options for their identification needs. Here's a recent customer of ours, Michele, from Titan Clean Energy Projects, showing us how impressed she was with one REINER unit. You'll see that she used to have to cut all those stickers for her batch numbers.
This makes adding a batch number to all these pails so easy. All I have to do is line it up with a batch number, like this. You see that? Hit print. And there it is. So much easier than cutting out stickers.
Give us a call toll free to discuss your application and give you some advice.